Now our motor determine I naught. So how can we determine I naught? First of all, if you consider no one localized series are parallel. First of all, see, if this one is x, that is also x, that is also x. Clear? But here y not parallel anyone. Okay. Here z, or here p, here a, here b, here c, here d. Clear or not? Okay. Sorry, that point, and that point are same potential, B, B and B. Okay, clear? So if you see this one, B, P, Y, P, B, Y, okay, that is 6 ohm, 6 ohm, here also 6 ohm. Clear or not? Okay, Y, here P, here P. Clear? Very simple way. Now after that you can use star delta. Here R1, here R2, here R3, here E. Clear? So what about R1? R1 is R1, R2, R3 are same. Why? Because of all resistance are same. That's why. But what about R1? R1 is 6 into 6 divided sum of these three resistance. So 6 into 6 divided by, that is 18. Finally we got 2 ohm. Clear or not? That is 2 ohm. Clear? So better to write here, that is 2 ohm. Clear? So after this one are replaced, means that point, or you can make roughly, okay. So here R1, sorry, this one is 6 ohm. Clear? 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and here 2 ohm. That point is E, and that point is Y, that point is P, and that point is B. Clear or not? After that is 6 ohm, here I naught, and that is 6 ohm. Clear or not? And that is A to B, 6 ohm. Okay, that point is X, here X, here X, here P, here A, and here B. Okay, these two are series and these two are also series. Okay, so first of all make another circuit. These two are series and these two are series. Or again apply these two are series, that is 8 ohm, that is 8 ohm. So first of all make the circuit. That is 12 volt, 8 ohm plus minus 12 volt, and that is 2 ohm. Eight ohm, here 6 ohm, and here 6 ohm. Okay, finally circuit look like this one. Clear or not? That is E, here X, here X, here X, and that point is P and that point is A. Our motor determine I naught, and that A to E, that is 8 ohm. Clear or not? Now our next target is if this one and this one, okay, if you consider E to A, that is 8 ohm, E to P, and after that is 6 ohm, here 2 ohm, E to A, and that is P. Okay, our target is again apply here RA, RB, and here RC. So what about RA? RA is written as 2 into 8 divided by 16. 2 into 8 divided by 16. That is 1 ohm. RB is equal to 8 into 6 divided by 16. That is 3 ohm. And what about RC? RC is written as 6 into 2 divided by 16. We got that is 3 divided by 4. Clear or not? Okay, clear or not? So make the circuit again. Here 8 ohm, E to A, that is plus minus 12 volt. Here P terminal, P connected to RC, P connected to RC. Okay, that is P connected to RC. RC is how much? RC is 3 by 4 ohm. Okay, and E connected to that is, suppose that point is D. That point is D. So this one is connected to D. How much RA? RA is 1 ohm. Okay, and that is 8 ohm. Okay, after that RB connected to A, that is 6, and here that is 6 ohm, and here RB is 3 ohm. Clear or not? So first of all make it. After that apply current division rule. Our motto determine current in this branch. Apply here source transformation, then apply current division rule. Okay, so how can apply source transform? 12 divided by 3 by 4, that is first of all current direction upward, and that is 3 by 4. After that combination of these two 9, combination of these two 9, here I naught. 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. That is 16. What about current? That is 16 ampere. That is 16 ampere. Okay. So next target is our motto determine I naught with the help of current division rule. So combination of these two, 3 by 4 into 9 divided by 3 by 4 plus 9. We got 3 into 9 divided by 3 plus, so 3 into 9, 27 divided by 39. 27 divided by 39, we got 0. That is 0.6923. Okay, we got 0.6923 ohm. Okay, into 16 divided by 9.6923. So finally I naught is 16 into 0.6923 divided by 9 plus something, 9.6923. That is final answer is 1.1423 ampere. Okay. So make it. So how can I achieve this target? First of all, apply here star delta transformation. We got R1, R2, R3 and put this value and we got like that one. Again apply source transformation. We got that one. After that apply source, here apply star delta transformation. After that apply source transformation. We got that one. And after that apply current division rule and we got I naught. Clear it.